likes you. He wants to play. Kaya, Ian wants to play. Can you give hug? Why do you look so mad? Is it cold here? No, we've got warm and cold. It hasn't been that cold actually. Are you talking to Kaya?
What are you saying, Kaya? What are you saying, Ian?
You want her to hug you? Oh, you like her. Look at their hands. Like Ian's hands are much bigger. Look at your
Really?
hand. Look.
Hey, Nathaniel, why don't you sit down over there? Sit down next to them.
Lighter. Hey, what's wrong? Can you talk? Can you say baby? Say baby. Yeah, good hug. Oh. Good popo? Popo?
You hold mine.
You on the table? Popo baby? You want popo baby? Popo. Oh, you want to hold him? Okay. Thank you. Say please. Okay, now say thank you.
You drop it.
She probably doesn't want it.
Oh,
What's wrong,
Ian?
You want to hold him?
Yeah.